Hi, in this video we're going to teach you how to make an angle maker. Every learner from grade 7 to grade 12 should have one of these, what we call I call angle makers, close at hand, either in your space case or your bag or just on your desk. Whenever you're busy working with angles, triangles, any geometric shapes, please have this guy handy. Trigonometry, you'll see how it helps you to sort out the stuff. The first thing you need is 2 ice cream sticks. Put them next to each other here. Then you put them on top of each other. I just showed you, slide them on top of each other, and then it looks like this. You can't see the bottom one anymore, so they're on top of each other now. Then you put any form of sticky tape on the side here to stick them together. Then you open them up, and you will see the sticky tape sitting over there. You'll see there's a little gap over there. Make sure it's there. And that's what it'll look like after you open this guy now. Then you stick another piece of sticky tape on the top to strengthen it. Then you take your scissors and cut it on the sides here, that you just get rid of the excess tape. And voila, there is your angle maker. We will now use it. Here is now the different names that we must know for the different angles. Firstly, we get an acute angle. It's between 0 and 90 degrees. We get an obtuse angle, it's biggish, between 90 and 180 degrees. Then we get a right angle, which is exactly 90 degrees. Then we get a straight angle, which is 180 degrees. It's over here. Then we get a reflex angle, which is over here, which is between 180 and 360 degrees. And then we get a full revolution over here, which is 360 degrees. We will come back to that now. This is no angle. Then from here, it becomes an acute angle. That's an acute angle, until it is a right angle. From the right angle, the name changes, becomes obtuse angle. It's an obtuse angle, until it becomes an angle on a straight line. Then it is a reflex angle. It stays a reflex angle, reflex angle, reflex angle, reflex angle. That's a revolution, or angles around a point. That's going backwards again. It's reflex angle, reflex angle, reflex angle, stop, angle on a straight line, or straight angle. That's an obtuse angle, obtuse angle. That's a right angle. From there, it becomes acute angle, stays acute angle, no angle. Thank you. In this part, we're going to show you how this angle maker can help you to find the different names of the different angles. Now I hope these make more sense. This is then the smaller angles we get, which is acute angles. It's between 0 and 90 degrees. When we get to the 90 degrees, it's called a right angle. Then we go bigger. As it gets bigger, we call it obtuse angle. It's between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. We go a little bit bigger, it becomes this one, which is then from there to there, which is a straight angle, which is 180 degrees. And then we go bigger than this again, so it goes over here. Then we have reflex angles. Now all the angles that are bigger than 180, which is over here, everything down here on the outside will be reflex angles. So from 180 to 360 degrees. Then the last one is if it totally closes up, so totally around from there to there, will be 360 degrees. We call it a revolution. Enjoy. I hope it makes more sense now. Now just shortly at the end, for the creative and the stronger kids, it's important to see that although this is the acute angle, there's a reflex angle on the outside here. Here there is a 90 degree or right angle here, but there's a reflex angle outside there. Not applicable now, but just showing it to you. Here is an obtuse angle over here, but outside here will be a reflex angle. The straight angle has got no friends, the other side is also a straight angle. Then if you have a reflex angle over here, there's an acute angle inside here. And then if this is a revolution, it's got no friends or no angle over there. Just for interest's sake, enjoy the section. Goodbye.